A ferret visited my house with tiny little cymbals. I felt that I should pick him up, but couldn't find my thimbles.
Where's them thimbles?
He jumped into my dresser drawer. The one with rags and papers? I slammed it shut and taped it tight and gave it to the neighbors. Here you go. Thanks, pal. The neighbors liked the furniture, but did not like the ferret. They took it to a hardware store to trade it for a parrot. The parrot, now, it sings to me across the narrow alley. I'd like to take it far away, but it's too big to carry. If animals come in your house, just make them go away. You can give them to your friends, but you still have to pay.